Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to merge cells in Excel. To start, open up your MX Excel on your PC. Now, to merge cells, no matter how many rows or columns you want to merge, you first select the empty rows that you want to merge. The empty cells that you want to merge and you select them. Good. Now you click on the merge and center. Click on the arrow here and select merge cells. Now you can see that the cells have been merged together. Merge cells right on it. So that is it, guys. You can also do this for column cells also. Let's try doing it here. Sorry. You click on the merge and center, merge cells, and you can see the difference now. It has been merged. So that is it. Easy and straightforward. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more useful video tips. Bye guys, and see you in the next video.